Welcome back, guys. So right now, I want to make our service marketplace better for freelancing. If you are going into freelancing, you have to revamp your service page, and to do that, all I have to do is to come to my service, and all I have to do is to show all. And having to show all, it takes me to my service page, and here's the service page. So you have to make this a better page. For instance, let me view it as client, and you see what it looks like. For a client to look at your service page, this is what the client would see, and you see the about, you see the location, the client will see the pricing, the services provided. And now we can edit the page. We have to set up the service page by requesting for reviews or people you've worked for in the past. You upload work samples and would add media, would add reviews right here. So let me do all that right now. And when you click on more, you can view as clients, you can post this service page, you can send in a message to potential clients, people that can hire you, or people that wants to hire you. So that's the freelancing part of this, and this is your review status. That's if you request review from people that you've worked for in the past, that's past clients. These are reviews that can come from there. And let me go back to my service page and try to do something. So right now, I'll first request a review. So to invite a review, what I have to do is to select a category, what I'm doing right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check IT or educational consulting. I'm going to take that, or let me take IT consulting in general. I'm going to take that, and I'm going to search the name of the person. I'm going to search the place I currently work. I'm going to search this name, and this person can send me a review. So I'm going to invite this person to send me a review. Invite one, and yeah, I've invited that person to send me a review. Once the person sends a review, I'm going to see a review, as you can see, review pending. So that way you can invite more people to review your service page for you, people you've worked with, of course. And now set up your service page, complete the steps to help potential clients learn from your services. Now showcase your past work by including images, videos, and links on your service page. Now what I'm going to do is I want to upload samples. Now to upload samples, and I'll just add media. For instance, I want to add one of the courses I have worked on. So what I'm going to do is to come to my Udemy, or by clicking Beloved Adejuigbe and coming to my Udemy. So all I have to do is to come to my Beloved Adejuigbe Tech Instructor, and I'm going to try to copy the link for each of the courses I've created. So I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to add media. That will be a link. Then I'm going to come to Udemy. This is CorelDRAW. I'm going to copy this first. I'm going to come back here and paste this and continue. Let's see what it looks like so far. So having to paste that, I'm going to continue this. It says CorelDRAW description, and I can add a little bit of description to it. To do that, I have to come here and check this, and it says become a professional design, and I'll just come back to my LinkedIn to paste that, or paste it. It can be 500 character thereabouts, and let's see if there are other things I can paste that would make more sense. And having to check this description through, I would say, who is this course for? I'll just copy this would suffice. I'll come back here and paste this. Okay, so having to do this, I'm going to save this right now, and I have this first course. I'm going to add another media. I'm going to add another link, which is the second course we've done for this. I'm going to close this, and I'm going to add this as well. So what I'm going to do is to copy the link to the course, and that's my refer student link. I'll have to close the CorelDRAW, and I'll come back here and paste this. I'll do it for the three courses actually. I'll paste this, and this is WordPress. I would copy the description by coming to description. So I come here, and I'll just copy something like this and come back here. I'll have to remove some of the wordings because this is more than 500, so it copies it to where 500 gets to. And here we have professional wants to upgrade and expand their knowledge. So I'm going to save this. So we have the second course. I'm going to add the last course, which is email marketing marketing. I'm going to add that as well. I'm going to copy this referral code. I'm going to paste this, and I'm going to continue that. And having to continue that, I'm going to try to close this as well. Come to email marketing, then come to the description part to copy the way I've done for the many courses. And by the end of this course, I'll just do something like this and copy this and come back to my LinkedIn to write the description. I'm going to paste this, and here we have this, and I would say freelancer. We use this course for freelancer. I'm going to close that, and I'm going to come to the next page, then copy something similar, which is aspiring email marketer. So I'm going to copy this marketers and come back here and paste that. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go to the next page and copy the next small business owners. I'm going to copy this and come here to paste that. I'm going to right click and paste. I'm going to go to the next page and come here, then copy marketing enthusiast as well. Copy and come back here to paste that would and V, or let me right click to paste that. So I'm going to paste this. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to come back here, career changers. I'm going to come back here, copy, and I'm going to paste this, and I'm going to come back here, anyone curious about monetizing email marketing skills. So I'm going to copy this as well and have that pasted. So we have this completed. So I'm going to save this, and yeah, that's the courses part, that's the tutoring part. So I'm going to click on done. Next, start to post, increase service page visibility. So I'm going to just start a post like right there. I've added media to my service page. Check out. So I'm going to check out my service page to see examples of my work and to learn more about my services. So I'm going to open for business and I'm going to paste that. Okay, so right now I've added like 3 courses to the media side of this. You can do more of that. If you have more documents to upload or anything to upload, just click on this media aspect, then add more of your services. If it's an image, if it's a video, if it's a link, you can add more of your services right there, and that says a lot about what you do. So what I'm going to do again is I'm going to just leave that for now, and you can do the many adding yourself. Just click on this and you can add image, add video, add link, whatever you want to add, you can add there right there. So now I've requested for reviews. As you can see, so far so good. Trying to make the page better. Let me check if there are other people I could request review from. Let me look for, maybe I can get some other past clients from here. I'm going to invite to review, and what I'm going to do right there is IT consulting. I've consulted for this person before, so what I'm going to do is to type the name of the person and do this and invite the person. So I have 2 invitations sent already, and I'll just wait for them to have it review. And clicking on edit page, let's see what more we have to do. I've done this, and contact for pricing, yeah, that has been sorted as well. And this edit media, we've done that as well. That's what we did not quite long, and here we have them all sorted. So you can create a blog, you can do all that, and I'm going to save that. So far so good. I've been able to make this service page better, and let's try to view it as clients and see what it's going to look like. So having to view this as a client, so you can actually see your page has taken a new shape. So that's what you can do. You can make it better and do more of this, and I hope to see you in the next lesson where we'll get to talk more about LinkedIn branding and optimization. I hope to see you in my next video. See you there.